Hello viewers, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Suman. Today's recipe is very exciting as we are going to make Lachha Paratha. So let's get started and check out the recipe. In a bowl, take 220 grams or 1.5 cup of maida. Pinch of salt. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Semolina or suji 1 tablespoon. Give it a good mix. I have used ghee here. You can also use oil or butter. Mix again and make sure when we are holding the maida, it should form a shape. This seems perfect now, so we'll move ahead. Add water as per your requirement and prepare a soft dough. We'll apply some oil here. Now cover it and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now cut the dough into equal portions. Now we'll take each of the portions and fold it inside to get the smoother dough balls. Roll out the dough until it's nice and thin. Now spread oil all over. Also apply some oil to the knife so that it doesn't stick while cutting. Now cut it into thin lines. We'll collect it from both sides and we'll roll it into a dough. You can see these lines in the dough later on, which will turn into layers. Tap the dough with your fingers and shape it into a paratha. Now let's cook our paratha. Gently place the paratha onto the heated tawa. Cook evenly. Once it changes the color, add oil and cook on a medium flame. You can see the layers are visible now. However, to get the flaky and layered paratha, we'll crush the paratha with our hands. And our lovely flaky and layered lachha paratha is all ready now. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. Until next video, goodbye.